rather than wondering that okay, ambition is going to be my thing, and I don't want to be peaceful, I want to be a hustler. I need to understand why is it that I feel that ambition is something that will get me somewhere.
Do you think ambition, like every person, as you said, a person should have a drive or a motivation or should have a purpose? Do you think if a person is very ambitious in nature and they want to make it to the top, as they say, and they want to constantly, get more, better in their career and just be more ambitious? Do you think in that journey a person is indirectly impacting his mental health in any way? Like by just being ambitious in nature and wanting to constantly, be at the top. Do you think in a way that's you're indirectly putting a lot of stress on your mental health, and instead of just being content and grateful? Do you think ambition might be related to
Rather than let's change the perspective. Can we change the perspective
yeah,
of
sure,
the
sure.
question?
Yeah.
Rather than wondering that okay, ambition is going to be my thing, and I don't want to be peaceful, I want to be a hustler. I need to understand why is it that I feel that ambition is something that will get me somewhere. Where do you want to go? Right? So if I am under this illusion that my ambition is going to get me somewhere and do something for me, then after you talk to anyone who is extremely successful. I have spoken to celebs, I have spoken to many people who have been extremely successful. उसका peace के साथ कोई connection नहीं है.
Ma'am, but
दूर दूर तक कोई connection नहीं
being
है.
broke is also like it's worse than being.
It's not a good thing to be broke,
Yeah.
but it is not okay to sacrifice your body, okay, and your mind for something that is so material that can be easily achieved. And you don't need so much of it. Like एक कार में आप 4-4, 5-5, 10-10 लीटर बैक सीट पे पेट्रोल डाले हो, फ्रंट सीट पे पेट्रोल के कैंस डाले हो, डिक्की में पेट्रोल, गाड़ी का टंकी फुल, चले जा रहे हो. What's the point of so much of fuel? उतना ही पेट्रोल भरो जितना तुमको सफर तय करना है. Making sense?
Yeah. But ma'am, what if you want to store more petrol for your
Then
next
you
generation?
have to find out why you want that more petrol. Is that a fear that you're trying to appease? Is that an insecurity that you're trying to camouflage? Or is there a deeper rooted issue from which you're running away?
But
by
ma'am, then
compensating.
if in that way, if you're saying that you should just,
Be content.
be content and don't chase more than you can, like this. But then if we have so many years to live our life, then what is the point if you're not trying to constantly
Yeah.
get better and
I agree.
seek
So
more?
you think that so many years में you just want to beat yourself up and get better? Huh, Rajvesh? So you think that is how it is? क्या करने का है? Be better, be better, be better.
I mean, don't you think, like as ma'am said, the petrol example is perfect. Don't you think just securing more petrol, isn't that the purpose of life in a way?
Now it's the insecurity that we're not enough and we're on the way to maybe fulfilling our own purpose, right?
puts you, that fuels you, but after a point वो breakdown होने लगेगी गाड़ी.
What do you know? When do you know what your point
Yeah,
is? How do
yeah.
you know? Maybe
You never know unless you try, right?
yeah, you'll never know. Maybe you're capable of much more. You end up stopping way before what you're actually capable of.
Damn, that's actually a good point. Yeah.
Maybe you're meant for 10 liters of petrol, you stopped at 3.
So I'm so sorry.
No, you do.
Yeah.
That's true. But who told you that you have to fulfill, like you have to use 100% of your capabilities? You're a human being. Your capabilities are infinite. Your body will burn up using all of them. So who told you this? ये कौन से fact कहाँ से that?
Isn't that the point, to use 100% of our
I want
capability?
to know the
So if
source
I
of
go
this
if I go to
point.
heaven tomorrow, ठीक है?
Oh.
So if I die, ठीक है? And in the afterlife is like God is like, yeah, कि this is the list and this is your biodata and this is what you could have been. And if that is not what I was, if I have not given my 100%, then there's no point, man. That's what I feel.
ये तुमको लगता है भगवान जी ये बोलेंगे तुमको?
पर मेरे को तो ऐसा लगेगा ना कि like that not being enough, that You'll eat away at me actually.
Ma'am, like I think there's this other thing. You know that imagine a portal opens up randomly in front of you, and like the best version of yourself, physically, mentally, walks through that portal, and then there's you, who's nowhere close to that. But you end up being grateful and not trying to reach that stage. But that's what you could have been.
Yeah.
Then, ma'am, wouldn't it be better to, I don't know,
Sacrifice a little bit.
sacrifice your maybe mental state to reach that?
There is an amazing experiment, psychological experiment, wherein they actually, gave kids, they put kids in a room and individually interview them, and they say that if you, have it now, you will get one chocolate, and
Marshmallow one. It's the marshmallow. Yeah.
Right.
that one.
Yeah.
So, and if you wait it out, then you will get
Two marshmallows. Yeah.
Patience is a beautiful thing. It carries you long way, but the why of thing has to be very sorted.
That's true.
If the why is not sorted, then what's the point of you being the best version of you? Who is deciding these standards for you? So you have to sit down and think that why am I doing whatever I'm doing? So I'm a therapist. I want to be the best version of me, whatever, everything. But if I am not in love with what I do, what's the point?
Makes sense.
And then if I'm truly in love with what I do, then what's the point?
Oh yeah.
Then what's the point of chasing the word best or enough? Because I'm already in love with whatever I do. तो फ्यूचर का मुझे पता नहीं, but you will be wasting a lot of, see, you're risking a lot over here. Making sense? You're like risking good 10, 12, 15 years of solid youth. And in the end, when have you seen that movie Pursuit of Happiness?
Yeah. Will Smith.
Will Smith.
Beautiful movie.
It's a beautiful movie.
Yeah, amazing
So
movie.
he is a complete hustler and everything, but after he secures the job, he does not try to be the best version of himself. Because he understands that happiness is very, very momentary, and it's the hustle, it's the sacrifices, it's the small moments of joy, and it's the journey that defines you.
No, but again, if he got happy when he was poor, when he was like living in the bathrooms and all, right? Then if he was content, then
See,
would have been
he
something
in
completely
that
different,
movie
right?
was in a survival mode. Are we in survival mode right now? We are not. He was actually like in a survival mode, and the kind of, you can go back and ask your parents the kind of things that we do for our kids. Oh my God, it's crazy. So when you have a small child to take care of, you're going to go all the way, and that is not the point. You're not in survival mode right now. You are in the thriving mode. In fact, this generation is so beautiful. I believe that all of you are in a very beautiful thriving mode. You have access to information about which we had no knowledge of back in time.
again,
But ma'am, also like when we speak about trying to reach our best selves and stuff, maybe a few people, like personally even I do, I know even they do. I think it might not be personally for us, but it's more for the
future,
people that
yeah.
love us or for the other people. Like I would personally want to really make it not for myself, but to see that pride in my mom's eyes or in my dad's eyes, or maybe when I reach that certain age, even for my children. So like if I'm not ambitious or if I'm not trying to constantly get better, then I feel like I'm letting them down more than I'm letting myself down. So I mean, I would personally do it for them, not for myself. But I don't know. I think
Don't do it. You'll spoil your relationship with your parents like this. This is a very bad idea. I will tell you why. Okay, I have my reasons. First thing, now go back and ask your mom, what does she expect of you? She will be like, "Beta, tu khush rahe."
makes sense.
They don't want you to collect all your school में जितना खर्चा किया है, college में सारा पैसा हमको वापस दो.
yeah.
No parent
They
thinks
don't
like
care.
that.
Yeah, I know, but
They are not that selfish. None of us are that selfish, okay? Parents are always giving, and they want to see their child happy. No parent wants to see their child, down or desolated or, not in their prime or not happy with whatever they're doing. Makes sense?
Yeah.
So your parents don't want you to live life to, see their approval or to please them. They want you to live your life so that you'll be happy. Seeing you happy, they're like, wow, this was all Vasool, this was all worth. It's amazing. He's happy. Our
ma'am,
son is
do you
happy.
think
just
Yeah, okay, continue.
just to finish, but okay, but if I do engineering to please my parents, yeah,
It's their dream. Yeah, it's
and
not
I
yours.
want to be a chef,
Yeah.
yeah, and then my dad, my mom, they're like, their eyes are shining with pride. It's amazing. But I'm feeling crappy about myself within. And over a period, doing that job in the software company, years together, there will come a point where I'm going to resent them. इनके कहने पे मैंने इतने साल किए and then you know the standards will be very high to please me now. Papa, you have to do this. I did engineering field.
Yeah.